Uh, on and off since I got my CELTA degree. You know what CELTA is?
Sales. Oh, yeah.
CELTA is a UK version,
Okay.
UK type of ESL teaching.
Okay.
So I use LinkedIn to connect with people. I love to connect with people. And mostly that's it, to find people, to connect with people. I find it interesting. I love social media.
Yeah. Social media is the best platform, and for you and me and all over the. Uh,
Yes.
Basically, you're all students on LinkedIn or outside?
Uh, I have found my students in a variety of ways. I found an ESL student who is Iranian on LinkedIn,
Okay.
found a writing student on Facebook.
Facebook. Okay.
I found a writing student who was going to medical school in New York City.
Okay.
I found a new company to work with on ESL company on LinkedIn.
Oh, great.
And then almost 10 years ago, I found my first ESL company as Global LT. I applied. I was working at a ESL company in New York City for career school.
Okay.
I worked with students from everywhere, a lot of artists.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how
So you
many?
saw my LinkedIn page?
Sorry.
You saw my LinkedIn profile?
Yeah, I visited your LinkedIn profile. uh, so how many students do you have now?
I don't. Right now, I'm actually focused on my voiceover.
LinkedIn voiceover or?
No, mostly I think I'll be moving into education.
Okay.
My last editing project was a textbook.
Facebook. Okay.
Textbook.
Oh, textbook.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And one area I'm branching out into is, do you know what voiceover work is?
Okay.
Do you know voiceover work?
Y- Yeah, voiceover. Right.
Right. You
Yeah.
listen to someone. I have a neutral accent. So my
Uh,
accent is, I don't have a strong New York accent. I just have a standard American accent.
yeah. All good. No problem.
And so I freelance altogether. In voiceover work, this is my new direction. ESL work, which I've done for 10 years.
Long
And
time.
oh yeah, editing for 10 years too.
Yeah, it's a huge long time. That's
It
great.
is. Yeah.